Welcome to all. In the first diagram, I showed you one wall. In the next diagram, there is a one brick. We want to build a wall means we need a basic thing. Which is a basic thing? Brick is a basic thing. The same way, to build a crystal, we need a one basic thing that is called as unit cell. In third diagram, I showed you that is called as crystal lattice. Here, the atoms, ions and molecules are arranged in a regular pattern, that is three-dimensional pattern, that is called as crystal lattice. Here, the basic repeating structural unit of the crystalline solid is called as unit cell. So, the definition of crystal lattice is the regular arrangement of atoms, ions and molecules are throughout the crystal is called as crystal lattice. Next one, unit cell. What does unit cell mean? It is a basic repeating structural unit of the crystalline solid. Next one, coordination number. Coordination number means the number of nearest neighbors that surrounding a particle, that is atoms, ions or molecule in a crystal is called as coordination number. Unit cell is characteristic by the three edge lengths or lattice constants, that is ABC. It is indicated in this diagram. And afterward, the angle between the edges ABC are called as alpha, beta, gamma. That are also characteristics of unit cell. There are two types of unit cell. One is primitive and non-primitive. A unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called as primitive unit cell. You see the diagram in this diagram, which is made up of from the lattice point at each corner of each of the corners. The next one is non-primitive unit cell. There is an additional lattice point. See the on face on the first diagram and another one within the unit cell, that is called as non-primitive unit cell. There are 7 primitive crystal systems. They are cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic and rhombohedral. To memorize the axial and angles of 7 primitive systems, we are going to follow one chart. In this chart, see the first column C, TOM, Tom and TH are there. C, Tom there. What is C means? C is cubic. T means tetragonal. O means orthorhombic. M means monoclinic. T means triclinic. H means hexagonal. R means rhombohedral. Now see the axial column. The A equal to B equal to C is same for cubic and rhombohedral. The next one, tetragonal and hexagonal. See both the one. A is equal to B but not equal to C. And afterward, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic. In these three, the A equal to not equal to B and also not equal to C. Now move on to third another column, angles. Here first three, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic. Here the angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. The next one, monoclinic. Here alpha equal to gamma is 90 degree but beta is not 90 degree. The next one, triclinic. In this triclinic, all the three angles are not equal to 90 degree. In hexagonal, the alpha and beta only 90 degree but gamma is 120 degree. In rhombohedral, alpha beta is 90 degree but gamma is not 90 degree. Corresponding to above 7 crystal system, primitive system, Lave's defined 14 lattices. They are, first one, cubic. Under the cubic, 3 crystal system. One is primitive, body center, face center. In tetragonal, there is 2. One is primitive and body center. In hexagonal, only 1. And orthorhombic, there is 4. One is primitive, another one body center. In face center there is one is face center, another one is the base alone face center. Next one, monoclinic, there is one is primitive and another one is base face center. In trigonal only one and triclinic also there is only one. Here we are going to see the cubic unit cell. Under the cubic unit cell we have three types. One is primitive, another one is body center, another one is face center. In this cubic unit cell, see the diagram. The red color indicated that they are the corner. So how many red color there? 8. So the cubic unit cell contains 8 corner. The line joining of red red point is edges. So you counting that you get 12 edges, and flat surfaces are called faces. There is 6 flat surfaces. So 6 faces in cubic unit cell. Here we are going to see the contribution of atom in face center cubic unit cell. First of all, I cut the potato. Half of the potato alone I placed in the flat surface of the cubic unit cell. Here we have to get the full form of atom, means we have to share the two unit cell. So here the contribution of atom in face center is 1 by 2. Next we are going to see the contribution of atom in corner. Once again I cut the potato into 8 part. I put the one of the part in corner. Here we get the full form of atom, means how many unit cell we have to share? 8 unit cell. So that only we get the full form of atom. So here the contribution of atom in corner is 1 by 8. Next we are going to see the contribution of atom in edges. Here I am going to cut the potato in longitudinal way so that we get 4 parts. I attach the one part alone in edge. In edge we have to get the full atom, means how many unit cell we have to share? 4 unit cell. So in edge the contribution of atom is 1 by 4. Next, in body center, inside the unit cell, it's called as body. In that body, a full form of atom is placed. So no unit cell is shared with the body center. The following formula is used to calculate the number of atoms, ions or molecules. That is Nc into 1 by 8 plus Nf into 1 by 2 plus Ne into 1 by 4 plus Nb. What is Nc? Means number of corner. The next one we put 1 by 8, means the contribution of corner is 1 by 8. The same way Nf means number of faces. The contribution of atom in phase is 1 by 2. Next one, Ne means number of edges, and contribution of atom in edge is 1 by 4. So that we used these terms in this formula. And Nb means number of body, but there is a full form of atom is placed. So the contribution of atom is 1. So we never put the number 1 in this formula. To calculate the number of atoms present in the simple cubic unit cell, the same formula we are going to use. First of all, see the diagram. In this simple cubic unit cell, the corner alone contains atoms, but not in the faces, not in the edges, and not in the body. So we have to place the number of corner 8, and contribution of atom is 1 by 8. Then another one, in number of faces we are having, but there is no contribution of atom, so 0. And number of edges 12, but there is no atom, so 0. And body also there is no atom, so all other things are 0 except the corner, and corner is 8. 8 into 1 by 8, they cancel each other, we get 1. So the number of atom in simple cubic unit cell is 1, and coordination number of simple cubic unit cell is 6. You can get a clear idea about this coordination number when you study the packing of crystal. To calculate the number of atoms in body center cubic unit cell, we are going to use the same formula. But first of all, you see the diagram. In this diagram, inside the unit cell, that means body, contain one atom, and around that atom, corner contains atom. So here we have the atom in corner and body. So in body the contribution of atom is full, that is 1, and in corner the contribution of atom is 1 by 8. How many corner is there? 8 corner. So put the number in corner and body alone, and faces and edges there is no atom, so put 0 there. Now we get the answer 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1, so we get 2. The number of atoms in body center cubic unit cell is 2. And coordination number, what is coordination number means? Inside the atom, that is body, around the body how many closest atoms are there? 8. That is corner alone they have the atoms, so the coordination number of body center cubic unit cell is 8. Next, the number of atoms in face center cubic unit cell. First of all, see the diagram. In this diagram, each corner contain atom and each flat surfaces. That flat surface is called as face, contains atom. The center of the each flat surfaces contain atom. That means the face center contain contribution of face center is 1 by 2. How many phases? 6 phases. So 6 into 1 by 2, and corner 8 corner. So 8 corner into contribution is 1 by 8. So we get, and each edges no atom is there, and also body also there is no atom. So put 0 in the formula. We get the answer. Number of atom in face center is 4. And coordination number of face center is 12. You get a clear idea about this coordination number in the packing of crystal.